The Load Data tab is the fifth tab in the Advanced Options panel that lets you add your own data layers to NavigateLA. The panel is toggled by clicking on the Advanced Options button in the NavigateLA ribbon. To upload data, simply navigate to the desired file and press Load Data. Before we demonstrate this, we first need to review some data requirements. Supported data types include CSV, DXF, DWG, DGN, KML, GeoJSON, and Esri shapefiles. Additionally, data coordinates must be in latitude and longitude, California State Plane Zone 5 NAD 83, or Web Mercator. Shapefiles must be contained in a zip file, but you can include multiple shapefiles in a single zip. CSV files must have coordinates in fields named X and Y, lat and lon, or latitude and longitude. To load data, browse to your file location and press Load Data using the provided buttons. The layer will appear on the map and in the Table of Contents panel. Added layers are symbolized with a globe icon and appear at the top of the Table of Contents above all other layers. Data will load with the default markup symbology of the corresponding geometry type, but you can change it using the Change Markup Symbol palette in the Tools panel. Simply pick your style options and drag and drop the color palette icon onto the layer name. If your browser supports drag and drop functionality, you can also drag and drop the files directly onto the NavigateLA map. As an added bonus, you can also drag and drop image files onto the layer name to change its symbology. You can save any layer that you've added to NavigateLA by pressing the Save Added Layers button at the top of the Table of Contents panel, typing a file name in the text box, and pressing Save. A layer file with the nlalyr extension will download to your computer. It will contain all your added layers, including visibility and opacity settings. You can drag and drop this file anytime in the future to restore your layer. To delete any layer that you've added to NavigateLA, hover over the globe icon next to the layer name and click on the red X that appears. If you forget any of the items we've covered in this video, you can click on the Help button on the top right corner of the Advanced Options panel to refresh your memory. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen. eng.navisupt@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.